Welcome to this lecture on PHP. In this session, we are going to learn what PHP is and why it is widely used in web development. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, which is a recursive acronym. PHP is designed to create dynamic and interactive web pages. Unlike static HTML pages, PHP allows web pages to be dynamic by generating content on the fly. This means that PHP can interact with databases, handle form submissions, and perform various server-side operations, which makes websites more functional and responsive to user inputs. One of the key features of PHP is that it is embedded within HTML. This means you can include PHP code within your HTML files, allowing for seamless integration of PHP functionality into your web pages. When a user requests a PHP page, the server processes the PHP code and sends the resulting HTML back to the user's browser. PHP is an open source and free-to-use programming language. It has a large community of developers who contribute to its development and maintenance, ensuring it stays up to date with the latest web technologies and security practices. Another advantage of PHP is its cross-platform compatibility. It can run on various operating systems including Windows, Linux, and macOS, and it is compatible with most web servers such as Apache and Nginx. This flexibility makes it a popular choice for web developers. PHP is also known for its simplicity and ease of learning. Even if you are new to programming, you can quickly pick up PHP and start building web applications. The language has a straightforward syntax and extensive documentation, making it accessible to beginners while still powerful enough for experienced developers. Some of the most popular content management systems and web platforms are built with PHP. For instance, WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal all use PHP as their server-side language. Additionally, many large websites and applications, including Facebook and Wikipedia, rely on PHP to deliver dynamic content to millions of users every day. In the next lecture, we will dive into how we can install and set up PHP. See you then.